So if you're wondering how you can actually add data points or graph on this image here in Google Docs, I want to show you how you can do that. So the way you do that is with the drawing tool. So first of all, of course, you need this to be an editable Google Doc. So the first thing you always want to do with these labs is go File to make a copy, and then you get your own copy of the document that you can edit and change. And so once you've done that and you're working through it, you're entering your answers. The way you would insert drawing on here is like this. So take, for example, it says, I think, to put a star at the point 0, 0. So what I can do is I can say insert drawing new, and then I could actually make a little star. So if I go to shapes, find something that looks, oh, this is very much of a star, a sun, and I can make a little star there. And let's even make it yellow, right? Why not? So I've made my star, and now I'm going to say save and close. And you'll see it shows up right there. Now what I want is to put it on top of the graph, and I can't just drag it and put it, it kind of messes it up, right? So what I need to do is put it so that it'll go on top of this image of the graph. And the way I do that is I just click on it, and I see these options: inline, wrap text, break text, behind text, in front of text. That's the one I want, in front of text. And now I can drag it down here and put it right on the point 0, 0. All right. Now, to actually add my data points, I might want to make just little circles, right? And so in that case, I would, again, go up here. Now, it's important to click away from the object that I don't want to have that highlighted. I want to click away from it. And I would say insert, again, drawing. This time I'll just make a little circle, right? So I'll click on here, shapes, circle, make a little data point circle. And maybe this time I want it to be green, for my globular clusters. So there's my little circle. And what I will do, and notice if it's too big, I can always make it a little smaller. But again, I want to be in front of the text, and I'm going to put that, at one of my data points. I'm just making this up, but maybe at the point, wherever it is based on my data. Okay. And so there it is. I think it's it. Notice these X and Y's, that's not a reflection of where it is in the graph. Okay, that's just different numbers. So you want to line it up with the actual graph. And now, since you have to do a bunch of these, you don't want to always have to insert and redraw it. You can actually make a copy of these. The way you would do it is you'd highlight the thing you want to copy, and you hit Control-C, or go Edit to Copy. And then you have to click away from it, because if you paste it now, you're just going to paste it and replace the one that's currently there. So you click away to a new spot, and you can hit Control-V, or you could go Edit to Paste. All right, I'll do a couple of them. All right, and then again, I want to make sure it's in front of text, and now I can drag that, and I have another data point. Okay, and so in this way, you can graph your data, and then when you download this as a PDF, your data will be right there. Okay, I hope that helps.